What we have today is we have a little Drock brand DC to DC step-down converter. And we'll be putting together the case that came with. And that's about it, because there's no sunlight right now and we can't do the rest of the project until the sunlight comes back. Lots of little pieces. Alright. This piece is, this is the top, this is the bottom, this is the front, this is the back. Alright, and what do we have here? This is, this one is left, and this one is right. Alright, so we need to sort out all of our little doodads here. We got 4 little standoffs. And then the screws. More standoffs. So first thing here we want to do is screw these together like this. So this and this goes together basically just like that. Do that another 3 times. This is the top piece. In the pictures it's clear, so I feel like this stuff is supposed to peel off somehow. But I don't see a way to peel it off. So how else are you going to see the display? You can't see the display through this without peeling this off. This is the top piece. Yeah, because it's got the 2 holes for the potentiometers. It goes right like that. Well, let's see exactly how does this go. Yeah. It goes like that. So, I feel like this is definitely supposed to come off. So let's try peeling it with a razor blade. Yep, it does come off. Look at that. It peels off nicely. I wonder how you're supposed to get that off. I wonder if the razor blade is the correct way. This fingernail doesn't seem to work very well. I'm going to peel off all the little plastic pieces. I don't see an edge where that's supposed to come off. I'm not even sure how they cut this. Laser cut? Doesn't really look like the edges don't look laser cut. Like there's no burning or anything. There we go. There's another piece off. This clear plastic has like a layer of brown paper sticky on it. And there's no easy edge to peel it from. You basically got to slice it with a razor blade, as far as I can figure. And try not to scratch the acrylic underneath. Oh, is that the correct way? Seems like it. It's the only way I figured out so far, because fingernails are pretty ineffective. Even with large fingernails like what I have. Well, I have really big thumbnails. And that's not very fun to try and peel it with a thumbnail. This one's coming off okay. I screwed that up a little bit. There we go. I can see why they didn't do this at the factory. It's kind of a pain in the ass and takes a long time. So far, this is basically Nate Peel's stuff. Like, there we go. A few more to go. Alright, this is the last piece here. There we go. Alright. So we'll put the heat sink on now because why not? That should stay on there. Alright, so this is the top piece. This is apparently, this is right piece, and left piece. Front piece. This apparently is back though, so this will go right here. It's a cool little puzzle. Not that hard, just takes a few minutes to get it all the pieces in just right. Get it out of there, fluffy piece. So this goes face down like that. Buttons coming out in front here. Like that, and this piece goes on top. Just like that. Oops, this one goes there. Beautiful. Well, I'll just put all the screws in. Don't have to put them very tight at all. A little bit of finger tighty, but not really. And there we go. And little converters all assembled and ready to be used. Uh-oh, I made a mistake. How did I do that? Assembly error. Yeah, leave the bottom piece on, don't dare take the bottom piece off. What we'll do here is swap these two. There we go. Oh, that came loose. That's not supposed to come loose. Make sure all these are tight enough. Don't want to over tighten it because it's probably pretty easy to crack the acrylic. Alright, there, now it all matches up. Everything's in correctly. There we go. Alright. Now it's all assembled correctly. You can actually reach these things. It's pretty robust, actually. Seems like it, at least. We'll see how it works. Anyways, I don't have the other screwdriver handy, otherwise I'd hook up the solar panel to it. But there's not really much point hooking to the panel to it right now because, well, it's nighttime. So we'll come back again when it's daytime and try out the converter, hook it up to the battery here, and see how it works. Anyways, thanks for watching. We'll see you all later, and have a great day. Hopefully that didn't lag too much and it was watchable.